In order to create a TCP server, just create a file, server.js. It can be any file. Import the net package from the node. It's already built in, so no need to install using the npm. Create the TCP server using the net.create server. It's going to take a callback that is going to return us the socket. That socket has a method on, which is going to look for data. And once we have the data, we are going to log that to the console. Data received, and that is going to be the data. One more thing we need to do here is to convert the buffer into string using the person s, and then we are going to use the socket.write. Your message has been received, and just an endline character. Okay, TCP server.listen, and it is on the port 8000. It can be any port, and a confirmation that listening on port 8000. Alright, now in the terminal, I'm just going to run the file, and we are listening for it. I'm going to open up another browser so that I can make a client connection. I'm going to use an NC netcap localhost 8000, and I'm just connected, and I'm going to say hello server. It's going to say your message has been received, and it has also received a message, and it is sending back the message as well. TCP is used in text communication, in HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, in transfer of files using the FTP, and also in the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP. SMTP actually uses some of the features of the TCP to be functional. And this was TCP in 2 minutes, and for more videos like this, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one.